Hi, and welcome to another video by Jim the Car Guy. Today we have a vehicle that came in because the directional turn signal doesn't work. The vehicle is a 2008. It's an F350. A lot of the trucks are very similar to this. The directional is actually the one that's in the mirror right here, in the mirror itself. When you turn the directional on, obviously the flashes work in the vehicle itself, and this one here does not flash. So oncoming traffic, it's hard to see without that light working. I'm going to show you how to go about replacing it. It's very simple when you know what to do. This one, as you can see, is damaged. Somebody hit into something with this and did some damage to it, so that's probably why the light itself don't work. But I'm going to show you how to replace the light bulb. It's quite simple. The first thing, let me just bring you in, I'll show you. Okay, the first thing you're going to see is that you're going to look in here and you're going to try to get in here with something to pry it. I don't know if this damage here was done from the impact or if somebody was trying to pry the light bulb out of there. I'm not really sure, but do not pry on this here. If you pry on this, chances are you're going to snap it and it's going to get broken. But if you look, we're just going to push that mirror up a little bit. I don't know if you can see inside there, but you see a little. Let's get a light over here. You see inside there, that little white clip right there? You have to get in there with a very long screwdriver and push on that clip, and then the light itself will push out. So, all right, let me get a long screwdriver, and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so I don't know how we're going to be able to see this. We'll try to do the best we can. But you get in here with a very long, thin screwdriver, and you just push that clip over just a little bit, and don't push it too far because you don't want to snap it off. And then you push it in, and it pulls out just like this. Very simple when you know what you're doing. Now, there's two light bulbs in here. We are going to change the one on the other side too, because that's burnt out also. And you want to put these back in the same location that you took them out, so you don't have a problem. All right, that's the clip that I'm talking about. If you push it over too far, you're going to snap it off, and you're going to wind up destroying the housing. Oh, you won't be able to get it back in. So let me grab two light bulbs and we'll come right back. Okay, these bulbs are actually just a very basic light bulb. I think they call it a 194. And they just push right in just like this. We're going to change both of them, of course. And these, you don't push them or anything. They just slide right into position. All right, so we're going to put it back together the way we took it apart. Just like that, and like that. And the way you put it back in, let's see if I can show you here. The way you put it back in is you just take it like this, and just push it, and you'll feel it snap in, just like that. Now, if it works out, if you did your job right, this should light up and flash the way it's supposed to. So let's go in the vehicle and do that. Okay. Sorry about the bell, but there you go. All right. This one on the bottom here obviously must be a parking light, so let's just check it and make sure. As you can see, it is a parking light and it is directional. So, all right, that's it. You're all set. All right, any questions or comments, or you need to talk to me about anything, you send me an email. I'll be more than happy to talk to anybody about anything. As always, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.